Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your virtual meetings with Zoom step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Test your internet speed to confirm it meets Zoom's requirements. Choose a quiet location to minimize distractions during the meeting. Check your webcam and microphone to ensure they are functioning properly. Log into your Zoom account and familiarize yourself with the interface. Schedule the meeting in advance to allow participants time to prepare. Send out calendar invites with the meeting link and agenda included. Encourage participants to join a few minutes early to troubleshoot any technical issues. Use a professional background or virtual background settings to enhance your appearance. Dress appropriately for the meeting to maintain a professional image. During the meeting, introduce all participants and clarify their roles. Set ground rules to ensure a productive discussion, such as muting microphones when not speaking. Engage participants by asking questions and encouraging input throughout the meeting. Utilize screen sharing to present materials or visuals that support your discussion. Monitor the chat for questions or comments that may arise during the meeting. Summarize key points at the end to reinforce important discussions and decisions. Follow up with an email summarizing the meeting outcomes and next steps. Encourage feedback on the meeting format to continuously improve future sessions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.